SB Secretary, you confirm or deny na merong existence of the reclassification? Of course, you will deny it, right?
I still have to check in the office, Your Honor, whether
Why you still have to check? Pinag-uusapan natin to. The reason why we called you on this hearing is to present to us all the documents pertaining to this subject matter.
You're under oath. Please tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Nakita mo ba kung may may certification na urgent yung draft ordinance number 20-005? Meron ka bang nakita?
Yung lote na pinag-uusapan nating binili ninyo is under agricultural property, di ba? And thereby, you are somehow violating the comprehensive land use program because you have classified that property that you bought, no, under agricultural property, under agricultural classification. Am I right?
Again, Your Honor, may I say that the best person who can answer that's the MPDO. Nagmagandang loob lang po ako kay...
No. Ang tinatanong ko kasi, being the SB Secretary, you have this authority to find out the veracity of all the requirements that being submitted in the Sangguniang Pangbayan.
I'm sorry.
So nung classify niyo po yan, nireclassify po niyo yung property yan, siyempre hihingi niyo po yung dokumento ng galing sa MPDA, di ba? Tatanong niyo po, ano ba ang nakalagay sa CLUP? Kasi I've been the mayor of City of Santa Rosa, I know how it works eh. So kung meron kang CLUP, aprobado na yan ng city ordinance, at tapos dinala mo na sa Sangguniang Panlalawigan, then you have the guide on how to use the property. Ang problem dito, yung agricultural property, na nakalagay sa CLUP ninyo is under the under the comprehensive land use program, ay kinlasify nyo pa doon sa agriculture, ginawa nyo industrial. And that is prohibited. Kaya hindi kayo kumuha ng mga requirements, hindi kayo nagsabit ng mga requirements which the chairman have said na napakaraming compliance, hindi kayo makapag-comply. Doon pa lang sa unang-unang procedure, nagkasala na kayo. Unang-una pa lang procedure, mali na kayo. Dahil yung CLUP, the very essence of CLUP, is for you to be guided on how to convert and to classify yung lupa na inaprubahan ninyo. Hindi kayo pwedeng sumala sa sinasabi nating CLUP. Di ba? And you should know this. Why? You are the SB Secretary. And you're asking for all the documents pertaining to the reclassification lot. Di ba? Di ba?
Now, in short, the Sangguniang was forced to act on it despite of the fact that the requirements is not being complied by the applicant because of the certification of urgency from the Office of the Mayor. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
So nobody questioned it. What urgency about it? All members of the Sangguniang was present during that deliberation and approval of
Yes, Your Honor.
ordinance. So lahat ngayon, because there is now a suspension to those active members of Sangguniang, and that includes you, though you're not anymore with the Sangguniang.
Yes.
So lahat kayo ngayon pinatawan ng ombudsman.
Yung iba po hindi naman po na i-demanda nun.
Bakit?
Hindi kasama sa demand. Hindi ko lang po alam.
SB Secretary, you confirm or deny na merong existence of the reclassification? Of course, you will deny it, right? Na merong existence ng authority or request from the mayor to to make it an urgent resolution coming from the SB. Meron kayong ganon?
I still have to check in the office, Your Honor, whether...
Why you still have to check? Pinag-uusapan natin to. The reason why we called you on this hearing is to present to us all the documents pertaining to this subject matter. Alam na alam nyo itong pag-uusapan. Tapos you have to check.
In the invitation, Your Honor...
Alam mo, meron ba o wala? Meron ba o wala? Kasi I'll be asking the other members of the council and also the yung SB sinong SB secretary right now? Ikaw ang SB secretary right now?
Chairman.
So you should know, di ba?
Chairman Dan.
Yes.
Chairman Dan. With the indulgence, Chairman Dan. SB, just to remind everyone, that includes the former vice mayor and all the former councilors and all those suspended and incumbent councilors and the incumbent mayor as of now, the OIC mayor. Alam nyo, you're under oath. Tsaka, pag ako tinanong nyo, ayaw ko talaga. Pero ang dami na rin akong pinakulong dito, pinakontempt because of lying. No? Walang kahinatnan yung lying. Kasi at the end of the day, malalaman din namin kung sino nagsasabi ng totoo. Kaya ang ano ko lang, please tell the truth and nothing but the truth. Please proceed, Chairman
I
Fernandez.
think that person is lying, Mr. Chairman, no? And he's under oath because I have a copy here of the municipal council meeting on January 14 at 10 o'clock in the morning at the municipal session hall, wherein the following members have signed that there was indeed a draft ordinance number 20005 that was certified urgent under the office of the mayor. And this was signed by Romanuel Santos, Irene Dagdag, Beda Pineda, Mr. Consejala Basilio, PPSK President Vergara, Mark Macapagal, SB Member David, SB Member Bondok, and ABC President Flores. Are those people that I mentioned are here? Andito kayo? Will you confirm that this was certified urgent by the mayor?
Miss Irene.
So they are all here, Mr. Chairman, and at the same time, they are confirming that there was...
No. They're not yet confirming. We want from the horse's mouth.
Right,
So we will ask
because
them.
I saw them nodding their head.
And then-
But because it is the procedure.
For the record,
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Miss Irene.
Good morning po. Okay po.
Ma'am.
Opo, kino-confirm po namin dahil nakasign po lahat kami. Opo, urgent po. Under.
Good morning po, Alexievich Vergara po, former SK President po of San Simon. So, yes po, I confirm po.
Will you still deny, SB Secretary, that there was indeed a certification of urgency for the reclassification and conversion of that property?
With due respect, Your Honor, ang sinasabi ko po, i-check ko lang po ng maayos sa, hindi ko po dinideny. Gusto ko lang po kasing masigurado that the existence of a document, if there is.
Okay, thank you so
yun lang
much.
po ang sinasabi
Okay, thank
ko
you.
lang.
Mayor.
Hindi ko po dinideny.
Mayor, Punsalan, do you deny that you issued a certificate of urgency with regards to this reclassification and conversion of that property?
Your Honor, as I remember,
No.
opo, dinideny ko po.
Dinideny
Wala
niyo
po akong
po.
inisyong
Wala po kayo
certified
issue.
urgent na
Sige, maraming
urgency.
salamat. Maraming
Opo.
salamat po.
Mr. Carreño, kayo po yung sangguniang bayan secretary.
Opo.
Doon po sa regular session on January 14, 2020, present po ba kayo?
Opo.
Present kayo.
Opo.
Nakita mo ba kung may may certification na urgent yung draft ordinance number 20-005? Dapat alam mo kung meron o wala. Meron ka bang nakita na sinubmite na certification of urgency by the mayor tungkol sa draft ordinance number 20-005 entitled An Ordinance Reclassifying of Land from Agricultural to Industrial and Commercial Purposes? Meron ka bang nakita o may sinubmiti ba sa iyo? Yun ang tanong ko. Sagutin mo lang ng yes or no.
Your Honor, opo, ganito lang po.
Yes or no?
Hindi ko na po kasi matandaan ito.
Okay.
I-check ko lang po sa opisina para sigurado lang po ako kasi dalawa pong nagsasabi na mayroon at wala. And so as a concerned official, custodian of the record, I just have to be very sure para po hindi po ako malagay sa alanganin. Ano po? Yun lang po ang position natin, Your Honor.
Sino po yung gumawa ng pagkadokumento nung regular session ng Municipal Council of San Simon, Pampanga noong January 14?
As to the minutes po,
Sino po yung gumagawa? Doon sa sa programa. Sino ang naglalagay ng sinong present, sinong absent?
ang SB Secretary po.
Sino po?
Ang SB Secretary po.
Kayo rin po ang naglagay dito, sigurado ako, pursuant to this document, na nakalagay dito, certified urgent under office of the mayor. Yung draft ordinance number 20-005.